My journey here on YouTube has been seamless. Yes, there were some bumps here and there, but it was a beautiful 1 year experience. Today marks 1 year that I've been on these streets. I started last year, May 1st. So happy new month, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Please keep watching. So what has helped me throughout my stay this 1 year is comments from people that like you don't know from anywhere, and they're encouraging you, keep telling you to push and all of that. So that has helped me. Then in terms of growth and all of that, I think shorts helped me with my long form videos. But at some point in December, that's last year 2023, I think when I started making use of vidIQ, I saw a significant difference on my channel. You get, this is not a paid advert or anything. This is what helped me. So today what I'm going to speak on is stuff that helped me through. And if you too, you're thinking of starting a channel, you can do that. Nothing should keep you back, nothing should delay, because me, with a little or no social media presence, I was able to achieve all the milestones and feats that have accomplished. You get, I've not been monetized yet too, but that's going to come up soon by God's grace. So the ways that I try to accomplish all this were posting consistently. When I first started out, I posted 3 videos a week: one gaelic video, one sit down video, and I think an encouragement or self-development video. I really can't remember, but I started out with 3. Later it reduced to 2, and at some point it became once in a week. But the thing is that I still uploaded shorts, so it helped me to grow my subscribers and all of that. Yeah, one thing I would say that has made me not to get my watch hour complete is because my videos, that's my long form videos, they are not that long. And I know that it's because of the challenges I have, but that is not an excuse. Like the highest time spent, or the highest video made, I think it should be like 20 minutes, but that one is with my friend. You get, so other ones that I've been trying to do is like 18 minutes thereabout, and my lowest minutes is like 5 or 3 minutes that I've created video. You get, so that has been a major factor, I would say. But in like 6 months, I've been less than 6 months, that was when I got up to 1,000 subscribers. And like I said before, shorts really helped me. My long form videos to helped me to get subscribers, but the fastest way was with shorts. So at this point, I want to thank everyone, all my 1,500 subscribers that have encouraged me, that has supported me, that has liked my video, that has commented, that has shared, that has invited people to my channel. I want to thank you all for your support. Like thank you very, very, very much. I really appreciate. See, when I started out, I knew that I was going to reach my goal. You get, but the thing is that how am I going to accomplish it? How am I going to get it? That was my problem. But with all your support, people that I don't know from far and near, in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, I want to thank all of you. So let's cheers to that. Get your cup ready, your glasses ready, get your water. That's if you don't have wine, or if you don't have juice, get all of them ready. Let's do a toast. This is my glass cup. And this is what I'm going to be sharing to it. This is my juice. There's no wine, so that was why I said you can get anything that you have ready and share with me. Let's make a toast to more growth, continuity, consistency, and everything beautiful. More money too, more brand deals. All right, guys. Cheers to many more years strong. Cheers to building a strong community. Cheers to more money. Cheers to more strength, good health to keep pushing. You get? Cheers to everything good. In fact, cheers to 100k subscribers by the end of this year. I'm laughing though because inside me I feel it's not possible, but I know that it's possible. At least we are going to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. So cheers to that, and cheers to you that is thinking of starting a YouTube channel. Cheers. So at this point, I want to encourage any one of you that is thinking of starting a YouTube channel. Please do not delay. Do not let anything hold you back. You can do it. You can make it. Like, you can accomplish it even faster than I did. You get? So don't let fear hold you back. The sky is open for every one of us to succeed. So as you're starting out, take shorts seriously. Yes, they'll tell you that short skills channel and all of that. I don't really think so. If you're making use of it very well and in the proper way, it's not going to, kill your channel. Instead, it's going to expose your channel to newer audience and bring in more subscribers. So make do with short relevant shorts that are in line with your channel scope or channel brand or niche out, kind of like, say, like me, I make shorts on a little of my vlogs, but mostly on my head wrap tutorials, my daily videos. I make shorts on that, then link it to my long form videos. That's what I do. So when starting out, don't keep shorts aside. Just ensure that you make shorts, even if it's 2 or 3 times in a week. When starting out also, you combine both short and long form videos. The long form videos is going to help you to reach your watch hour fast, like very, very fast. Like if you have a 10 minutes video or a 12 minutes video, which I normally do, it's going to increase your watch hour, but it's not going to be that fast. But if you're making 30 minutes video or even an hour video, but me, I don't know, because I don't think I can sit down for 1 hour to watch this thing. Instead, I'll have to watch it bit by bit, you get. But if you make 30 to 40 minutes video, it's going to do a lot to your channel. It's going to increase your watch time, especially if it is very, very, very engaging and entertaining. So when starting out, don't miss these two: your short videos and your long form videos. Combine it. And I would say when starting out also, like if you're going to start 1st of May, you should, before now, shoot like 3, in fact, if you can, that's if your phone has the capacity, you shoot like 5 videos. You get? That's going to reduce the stress or the anxiety that you're going to have during that period when you start your channel. But me, when I started, I created like 3 videos first and I posted 2. Then subsequently I started creating more videos and I was posting, you get. But if you want it to be easier for you, don't create that day, because if you're creating a video, you prepare everything, you create, you edit before you upload, and uploading too takes time, you get. So put that into consideration. And there's another point I would like to state. Please, when starting out, don't niche down. If you watch my short form videos, you're going to see where I dance. I know I don't know how to dance, so but I did dance videos and all of that. So don't niche down. Yes, me, when I started, I already had the goal to teach people how to tie gele and various head wraps, you get. But along the line, I added vlogs because I just felt that it was just one, like when something is monotonous, it's kind of like, I don't know how I'm going to explain it, but it just started getting boring for me. Yeah, I do gele videos and I like doing it because it's kind of like therapeutic for me. But when it was just recording like that, I started getting tired, so I had to add vlogs. And the sit down videos that I was doing then, I stopped because the views gotten from the gaming tutorial and other this thing, we are kind of like higher than the sit down videos. That was why I stopped. But I'm telling you now, you do not have to niche down, just explore. Yeah, when you want to start, you'll be like, I'm going to teach hair, you get, or I'm going to show how I achieved my hair growth and all of that. Yes, that should be at the back of your mind, but still do any other thing that you think is going to help your channel. Still explore, because you don't know where you're going to get those people that are going to support you throughout your journey. You get what I'm trying to say? So do not niche down, explore various niches. Now I'll still tell you again, please do not be afraid. If you're scared, you will not be able to move from point A to point B. That's a fact. That's a serious thing. And procrastination also is very, very bad. Like me, before I started, I said I was going to shoot my videos on the 20th of April. That's last year. Can you imagine? I shot my videos on the 28th of April because of what? Procrastination. And if I had not even done it that 28th, I wouldn't have been able to post my first video, that's my intro video, on the 1st of May, because that 1st of May so many things happened, but because I already had the video ready, I just uploaded it and everything went smoothly. So do not get scared. Whatever is going to push you back, just keep it by the side, you get, and you're going to accomplish what you set out to get. Also, batch producing is very, very, very important. I've said it, kind of like in person, but batch producing is important. Once you've started out, you set a day aside. But if you cannot set a day aside, please do your video before the publishing date, you get. Like me, I do my videos on Sundays. That's not vlog. If I want to do any type of video, I do it on Sundays, you get. So that just the batch producing is key. And also make sure that once you upload, you also share to your social media platforms, to your social media handles, you get. That too is very, very key and necessary. And if you have a huge following, the process is not going to be difficult for you. It's going to be very, very, very seamless and smooth. So now, since I think you are ready, because you've watched up to this point, go take a look. I'm going to leave a description in the comment section. Go take a look at my get to know me video, my introduction video, my very first video. Go take a look on how I did it and work on that to make your own better. And when you started, do not forget to let me know. So here are the various tools I used when I started. I'm just going to show you shortly. So guys, this was the tripod stand I used when I first started out. It's a very short tripod, but it's very stable. I open it, then I stack. Most of the times I stack plates here. I think there's even a plate under. This one is here, this one, then there's a plate under. I stack it well, arrange it properly, and do my videos. I used to sit down on the dining chair there to make my videos, and this is the light I used to use when filming. This is the extension, and also this is the earpiece, but this one now is bad. The one I'm currently using is this one. It's the earpiece. It serves like a microphone. I just inserted the earpiece into a foam so that it will reduce noise. I know that it's not doing much, but it's still better than just leaving out your phone like that to capture your sound. You get what I'm saying? So this was what I used until January this year, that I got this selfie stick with lights. This one, you can extend it. I know that you've seen me use it several times. It's quite long, but it's not as long as my normal tripod stand that I'm using now. So this is the selfie stick that I use. So this one, when I got it for 2,000 naira plus weight bill 1,000. That's 3,000 naira. Then I got these bulbs. I made it from the electrician for 3K. So when I started out, I think I started out with like 5,000 for everything that I needed, because the earpiece was like 1,000 or even 800 naira. You get. Now currently this selfie stick is going for like 9,000, but when I bought it for 7,500. so it's very, very affordable. You can even get yours also. Do not be scared, do not think about price. If I'm able to achieve this, I know that you can too. Then this here is my tripod stand, the big one that you can extend, that is long, although I'm still taller than it, but there are ones that are taller than me. That's when you extend it. So this is my tripod stand, and it's serving me very, very well. So you can get this also. This one I got it for 15 or 16,000, if not 17, one of them. So that's just that. Currently I'm making do with my Android. That's my Redmi phone. That's what I've been using to shoot throughout my 1 year on these streets. Yeah, the screen now is broken, badly broken and all of that, but I'm still managing it. I know that very soon I'll get a new one. So you can make do with an Android phone or a iPhone, you get. And the iPhone, if you have money, I will encourage you to do that, because the quality is kind of like similar to that of a camera. But if you have money, if you are buoyant enough to get money for a camera, please go ahead. Then me, what I use for my editing is Capcut. As for video editing, it's Capcut I use to edit my videos. My thumbnail is Canva I use. Then the pictures for my thumbnail, I edit them with InShot. For music also, I make do with YouTube audio library, although you can get copyright free music from YouTube, but the thing is that you have to credit the people that you got it from, you get. But if you want better music and no copyright issues, you can get Epidemic Sound or any other app that they have copyright music that is paid for. Now I have told you all the good that you can achieve on the streets of YouTube, but do not forget that there are negative people and you always see negative comments. But when you get to that point, please do not be deterred. Do not allow it to weigh you down. Do not allow it to now stop you from producing your videos and all of that. No. Just don't pay attention to those people. Focus on what you're here to achieve and go for it. Like me, I get countless negative comments. Some you will see it in my comment section. Some YouTube helps me to, like, they don't show it on the comment section, but I see it in my studio app. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's just it. Now, to end this video, I am going to thank you all for watching up to this extent. I won't tell you to subscribe today. Today is a free day. What I'm going to tell you is that get your journal ready, get your notepad ready. Highlight the topics you want to do. Go ahead to shoot your videos. Open your channel. The sky is open for everybody. The way I succeeded with little social media following or little social media presence, you're going to do more. So today, I advise each and every one of you to start your channel, even if it's going to be shorts and not long form videos. For the time being, start your channel and you're going to see good following you. It's going to make you happy and you're going to achieve your goal. So leave a comment, tell me when you're going to start your channel, so that I'm going to hail you and support you the best way I can. Do not forget to like, comment. There's no subscription for today. Do not forget to share these videos to people who wish to start up their YouTube channel. Even to you too. Do not forget to save it and later come to read it again, get the motivation and start yours. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers to 1 year on YouTube. Thank you very much.